I've said for years, gardening in the desert is one great big grand experiment, and you learn by experimenting. So I love that.
And it's been an experiment that's been going on for thousands of years in the desert. The oldest known agricultural site they've ever discovered in North America was just north of Tucson what's the river that goes north out of Tucson? So it's a grand experiment. And if somebody wanted to get their own space of a raised garden, do you have room for more families to come?
Oh, yes, we do. We normally are filled up. Some people have had to move away, and so we've had a waiting list for a long time. But right now, yes, we come by, and I always tell people, if you don't have a raised bed, we will grow what you want to grow in our community garden, because it's your community garden, and we want to grow what the people really want to eat.
And the best place for somebody to contact you?
That would be through our email, and that would be hftc.gardens@gmail.com.
Heart for the City.
Or stop by.
Well, and fundraising is an ongoing process because you have to pay the water bill. Somebody could actually do an event there and pay you to do an event there as part of the fundraiser. You've done that before, right?
We've done, we've started doing an event just within the last couple of years. We've been able to sustain ourselves through grants and through our nonprofit. But it's a beautiful venue for weddings. It's a beautiful venue to host. I had one business owner say, hey, the cost would be so much less than going to a resort or a big banquet building. Not that I'm downplaying that, but we have beautiful Arizona winters here. So once you come out and see the space and all the pollinators that we have around the garden, and we have plenty of space.
Especially in the springtime.
Yes.